and 5-minute challenge. Draw a Diglett. Today's challenge is to draw a Diglett. Here's my Diglett bouncing up and down, up and down. I really love my Diglett. I love its nose and its eyes, and it's very cute. Are you ready to draw yours? Ready, set, go! Okay, guys, first things first, open up your paint editor, and I'm just gonna name my character Diglett right away so I don't forget what I'm drawing. Okay, what should I start with? I think probably the body of Diglett, so I'm gonna choose a brown color, and I'm going to draw the body of Diglett, and it's okay if it's not perfect. Okay, I have my body now, and I'm gonna use my circle tool to draw ovals for the eyes of Diglett. I am gonna use this move tool, just to move it up a little bit. Yeah, the drag tool, yeah. And back to the circle tool, and the paint bucket for the nose. I want to move my eyes a little bit and my nose as well, so I use the drag tool again. And let's see here. I need to draw the bottom part, so back to the line tool and this gray color, and color that in with the paint bucket tool. And I'm gonna make the bottom part look a little bit cooler, and I'm gonna use a lighter gray and just draw in some lines, just like that. Already my Diglett looks pretty cool, doesn't it? But I think something's missing. What could I do to make it better? Let's see, how about I could make the nose looks like it's coming out like 3D, you know? So I'm gonna use a lighter pink and draw in another oval just on top there. Yeah, that's not bad. And then another oval with a lighter shade of pink. Let's see, how about the eyes? I'll put 2 white dots to make it look like Diglett's eyes are popping out. Just like that. And I just need 1 more dot on the other side. And yeah, I think that looks great. I also added some lines. As you can see, the black line all around Diglett to make it pop out a little bit more. What does your Diglett look like? Make sure to share your project by going on Twitter and tagging Ottiya _global. And I hope you'll join me next time for the next 5-minute challenge. Okay,